Brainy presents 13 unusual behaviors that make people respect you more. Ever thought when people would start treating you with respect and how to earn that respect? Being respected is something that everyone desires in life. Everyone wants to be recognized and appreciated for the work they do by their friends, family, coworkers, and other people. Gaining the respect of others is not simple. People take someone more seriously and pay attention to their advice when they are respected. Here are 13 behavioral tips that will make people respect you more. But before we move forward, let us know in comment why people disrespect you. Number 1. Sharing negative aspects of your life. We all fear being shunned by the group and treated strangely, so the majority of us exert effort to appear admirable, faultless, and moral. Contrary to popular opinion, share your flaws with others and it will not only help you to improve but also make you likable. Sharing negative aspects will immediately places you in the minority and demonstrates to others that you are a real person. Number 2. Enhance your physical appearance. We can improve our appearance, but we can't change how we came from the womb. There is a reason why getting a haircut or manicure makes you feel better. How does it portray you? It helps to look in the mirror at a body we like. We might argue that caring about our appearance is trivial, but you know it's important and will significantly change how other people see you. That's nature. It's the truth. You won't feel better as long as you reject this. So you should work on your appearance and it will certainly make changes. Number 3. Emotional control. You lose respect if you react angrily and without patience. Avoiding this is what referred as nurturing the gap. People that are reactive have very little gaps between a triggering stimulus and their emotional response. Because they have intentionally created gaps that are large enough to let any stress in themselves escape, non-reactive persons are highly respected. You should make a habit to have emotional control over almost everything. It will not help you in better action but will also make you more respectable. Number 4. Stop always being available. You're not always required to answer that text. You don't always have to laugh, smile, or respond to others. You should not be always available, and your real life can reflect this. It can't be an act. The idea of great worth is produced by a feeling of scarcity. Organize your life so that you are in high demand. What message does be always accessible convey? That's true. People will be able to tell that you lack self-respect, aren't focused on your own business, aren't in high demand, and likely don't have a mission. Number 5. Unwanted flattery. There are plenty of people who are overly kind. You act differently than most individuals, who are constantly attempting to impress. Your compliments are uncommon, unexpected, precise, and sincere. This makes you stand out. People will start loving your attitude and you will get more respect. Number 6. Talk less. We are always ashamed of how little we talk. Many of us still struggle to find the right words nowadays, and shyness is largely to blame for this. This is acceptable since, when paired with a laid-back attitude, speaking less shows one to be at ease in their own skin. It offers the other person an opportunity to talk for longer, which they usually appreciate, and portrays you as approachable, considerate, and giving with your time. Speaking less also creates a sense of mystery about you that keeps people curious and eager for more information. Number 7. Be calm and move slowly. Your quick movements and restlessness give the impression that you are a scared nocturnal creature caught in the headlights. Moving more slowly can promote relaxation and even a calmer state of mind. It's a constructive cycle. Going at your own pace and not moving like a headless chicken demonstrates that you are in charge. Simply doing this will change both your own and other people's perspectives of you. Number 8. Speak a little more slowly. Adopting a technique known as slow speaking is one of the key factors in overcoming social anxiety. Speaking more slowly is quite helpful, mostly because it allows us to think. It slows down both our physical and mental processes. An anxious person most needs this space. To anyone, this applies. The majority of us are in a hurry and unsure of our anxiety. Talking more slowly will help you to relax, improve the way you come across, and get respect. Number 9. Recognize your limits and uphold them. Those individuals who are people pleasers have certain boundaries. They wonder why they go to bed at night feeling melancholy because they believe that pleasing others will boost their sense of worth. Respectable people forbid intrusions into their time and efforts. They are aware of when and how to say no. This is how you keep the mental stability and vitality the world requires from you. Boundaries keep everything in check, and other people will be motivated by it rather than outraged by it. Number 10. Dress well. The seemingly insignificant can have a significant impact. When you dress well, you will feel better about yourself and make a much better impression than when you dress shabbily. It has a significant impact, but you already knew that. Number 11. Do not try to impress everyone. Many of us learned as children that we would be rewarded and viewed as good if we did what other people wanted us to do. Pleasing others is not a successful life approach that will result in positive outcomes for you, unless you prefer to see your soul gradually diminish and people slowly lose respect for you. Instead, when it's appropriate, add value to others' lives. Oh, and face the fact that your sincerity isn't genuine. When you're extremely kind to everyone, do you really mean what you're saying? Number 12. Always be confident. Holding someone's eye contact, especially for a little bit longer than would feel natural, it indicates more than anything else that, I'm confident and I'm interested in other people. This will stand out in a jittery world when everyone is fixated on their phones, the adult equivalent of a baby's dummy. Number 13. Always be undistracted. Isn't it exciting to witness someone talking to someone who is paying attention? Finding someone who isn't a distracted, fidgety squirrel ferret is becoming increasingly difficult. So, stand out. Seriously, turn off your phone. Give us your undivided attention right now. Put others at ease by doing it. This small change in behavior will give you instant respect. You can learn how to get respect from others and live by the principle of give respect, get respect, by paying attention to the aforementioned advice. These days, respect is a must. If you have behavior issues as well, you may want to attempt meditation. Respected one is valued. Giving respect to someone makes them more driven and content, and in return, you receive the same degree of respect, which makes both of your lives more fulfilling. We hope these 13 behaviors will help you to become a better version of yourself and gain more respect than ever before. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with friends so we can make more videos. Click the subscribe button to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.